Hello guys, welcome to Amir Studio. My B-174 just arrived. It's a bit late than others. Yeah. What to do? It is what it is. Okay, let's have our B-174 unboxing. Yeah, it's already out of box, but I'm not open it yet. Yeah. And first of all, I will show you our stadium. As you can see, the stadium have very small hole here, but we have big one here. It's have two small hole, one here, and big hole here. Basically, you cannot change between the angle. Yeah, you cannot change it. It must be on its own. Yeah, like this. It's already designed. Design something like this. Yeah. Okay, we will have a battle later on. Let's open first our new Beyblade, B-174. Is it clear there? Yeah, B-174. And this is a stadium clip. Okay, let me try to open this one. And we have two new long launcher. They call it long launcher. Yeah, my chicken just okay, here we have another long launcher. This one is right and this one is left. Yeah, no, this one is right, this one is right, this one is left. This one for burn Hyperion, this one for Volcano Helios. Yeah. Okay, let's take our stadium clip first, because this is the most important now. Okay, let it put away. Here we have our clip here. Let's install it one by one. 1 second. I will put this one away first. Let's install our new stadium. This is my first use stadium, yeah. Sure. Okay, let's install it. Basically, to install it, just simple installation, yeah. This one at the bottom, from bottom, yeah, from bottom. Put it inside, and this one from upper side, yeah. Make sure it tight. Okay, done. And last one is here. Okay, last one. Okay, stadium already prepared. Okay, want to see how it's going out the on. Yeah. Okay, yeah, good now. Hope the angle is good. It's not fully. Now it should be better in the center. Okay, let's open our Beyblade. This is our layer. They call it fragile layer. I'm not sure. Let's see. They have something here. Oh, it can be closed. Okay, this is our exit Z, exit dash, and Z, yeah, Z plus. Yeah? Oh, we have 1 star for version R. I'm not sure. Oh, I see. Okay, here we are. Let's go for next one. Our Volcano Helios. Helios 2, yeah. Same for for Hyperion. It's Hyperion 2. because the version 1 is different. Version 2 is something heavy here. Yeah, they have a metal chip here, super king chip, and this one for sure will be left spin bay. Okay. Oh, this one not moving. Yeah, for Hyperion is not moving. In that I'm not sure. If it's without this one, maybe it can be moved, but I'm not sure. We'll try in next year. Okay, let's have battle. Let's check first which LED is better between these two wavelets, using its own original combo. This is quite stamina, and this one for sure it will be attack, but let's see how about LED. And first, for that, let's review our launcher first. Our new launcher. Oh, it's raining here. Let's moving fast, yeah, because it's raining now. I'm at outside actually, yeah, outside home. I'm afraid that my voice will be covered by rain. Okay, this one is a very long one. Let's see which one is longest, or it will be the same. Let's see. Yeah, it's the same, more or less the same for both launcher, and it's fair. Okay, let's put to our rego shoot so that I can launch both at the same time. It will be fair battle for both of it. And here our right spin bay and left spin bay. Okay, let's try. First we have our stamina battle. I will just launching slow to check LED. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. Let's check the LED first. Oh, it's Volcano Helios, yeah. Volcano Helios. It's raining now. Okay, let's have attack battle. People said that burn Hyperion always burst. I mean, easily burst. Yeah. Let's see if it will be burst later on. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh. Okay, 3, 2, oh, sorry. One more time. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh, it's very tricky here, yeah. On this area, you can go out, knock out by yourself. I think it's a bit, what is it, low at the end of it, and you can kill it yourself there. The clusters are moving. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh, still. Very steady. Very steady. Let's try our last. Let's try, yeah. I want to see Hyperion, burn Hyperion to be burst, but I cannot find it now, yeah. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. No. Still. I can't see that. It's still not burst. Yeah. Still not burst. I'm trying to have it burst. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh. It's stuck there. I'm not sure if it's stuck there, it's considered knockout or what. Yeah. To check out our new rule for this stadium, yeah. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. But I like the movement of exit dash, yeah. Exit dash. It's like almost I think same with Extreme, but more LED here. I did not see my burn Hyperion burst at all fighting with Helios. I'm not sure why, but that's it, guys. Thank you everyone for watching, and don't forget to follow our giveaway. Just follow our next video, yeah. Watch it. It's only 1 minute plus, yeah. Just follow it, and bye bye guys. Thank you.